Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
Now, if you're staying at a Universal hotel and visiting the parks, there are a number of ways which you can get about. One thing which I really love about the Hard Rock Hotel is its proximity to the park. It's just a short, scenic stroll by foot, or you can hire a cyclist to ride you that distance. Alternatively, there are also options in terms of a water taxi to the City Walk dock. There are also connecting shuttle bus offerings from various hotel resorts. And within the park itself, if you have a park hopper ticket, then you can go via the Hogwarts Express train from Universal Studios to Islands of Adventure. But it's all very much walkable from the Hard Rock Hotel.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.